Welcome back. It's Cooking with Cookie, and I'm Cookie, and today I have my friend Pauline.
Hi there.
And we're going to be making some hummus. The ingredients that we use are garbanzo beans or chickpeas, whichever you prefer and call them. Just the typical seasoning: salt, pepper, cumin, olive oil, and a little lemon juice. You ready to get started? You can go ahead and start with dressing the plate for serving.
Okay.
I drained my chickpeas earlier because you use some of the reserve liquid for the recipe. I use about a quarter cup of olive oil, and honestly at home I probably wouldn't use a measuring cup, but since I'm here with all of you, I want you to see that measuring is a good idea. A couple cloves. I use the minced garlic, but a couple cloves, that's about a good teaspoon. You can vary this on how you like it to taste, so it's up to your taste buds. I always try to use sea salt, little, about probably a half of a teaspoon or less. Some black pepper, some cumin, and we all know that the beans are a high fiber plant protein, so we want to always have that in our diet, but especially during this time. And eating a lot of fiber like this helps to control our blood sugar levels, and fiber is always good for us. So I'm about ready to start now after I add my lemon. Oops. And you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Okay, so while this is mixing, we're going to go ahead and explain to you about the water I've been drinking, because I enjoy water and I enjoy drinking from a fancy glass. So come on, Miss Pauline, let's see what we can do.
Here we go.
So I try to keep water prepared in the kitchen on the counter throughout the fasting time, so I can always run to water, because water helps to purify, and it's because of the lemon. That's another kind of balancing product in our body if we use that too. So. We add a little fresh mint when we have it. Gives that little zing to your mouth and your lips, and also a little fresh lemon.
Cheers.
Delicious.
Oh, refreshing.
Okay, through the magic of television, we've gone ahead and prepared our hummus. I put a little oil and paprika on the top, a little parsley to dress it up a little bit and make it more flavorful. And Pauline went ahead and completed our serving dish. So now it's prepared and we're ready to eat. Want to try some?
Sure.
Oh no, here's Kyler.
God bless you. God bless you.
Delicious.
Oh,
It's very good.
that's so good. Good job.